How to use Microsoft Excel for basic spreadsheets. This video will guide you through using Microsoft Excel for very basic spreadsheets. Excel for beginners, mastering the basics. The spreadsheet canvas. Excel uses rows and columns to create a grid where you enter data and perform calculations. Click on a cell, which is an intersection of a row and a column, and type your text or numbers. Hit enter to move to the next cell. Formulas for power. You can use formulas like equal sum or equal average to perform calculations on your data. Formatting for clarity. You can apply bold, italics, or colors to highlight important information, and you can customize your cells, tables, and data however you want for easy understanding and easier organizing. Explore Excel's chart creation tool to turn your data into visual insights, as Excel allows you to create charts from the data you enter on different cells and tables. You can get started with spreadsheets today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.